Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving right into the process of using Todoist for family chore lists. This will make organizing household tasks a breeze, and you'll never forget whose turn it is to do the dishes again. First things first, you'll need to download the Todoist app from your preferred app store and create an account. This is our gateway into a more organized household. You won't be able to assign tasks or create lists without this step, so make sure you don't skip it. Once you've got the app up and running, it's time to create your family project. In the bottom right corner, click on the plus icon and select New Project. Name it something like Family Chores. This is where we'll house all of our tasks. Creating a dedicated project makes it easy to keep track of all your family chores in one place. Next up, we're going to add the chores to the project. Click on the project you just created, then hit the plus icon again to add a new task. Type in the chore and assign a due date if needed. The reason we do this is to ensure each task has a clear owner and deadline. On the bottom, you'll see an option to assign the task. Click it and select a family member. Now that we've done that, it's important to note that each family member will need a Todoist account. This allows you to assign tasks to them, and they will receive notifications when a task is due. It's a great way to keep everyone accountable and ensure chores get done on time. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. When you assign a task, Todoist sends a notification to that person's account. They can check off the task once they've completed it, and everyone in the family project can see the status of all tasks. This helps us because it keeps the process transparent and collaborative. Let me explain why this matters. By using Todoist for family chores, you're not only getting a tool that keeps track of tasks, but you're also teaching your family about responsibility and teamwork. It's a win-win. To wrap things up, remember these simple steps. Download Todoist, create a family project, add tasks, and assign them to family members. With Todoist, family chores become a breeze. And that's all for today. Until next time, keep things organized and stay productive.